Hello, and welcome to the SEOPress Breadcrumbs tutorial series. Throughout these videos, we're exploring how to customize breadcrumbs for your WordPress site using SEOPress PRO. Join us as we walk through various settings that will enhance navigation for your visitors and improve your site's SEO. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. In this video, we'll guide you on how to keep the category name but remove the archive name from your breadcrumbs. To begin, go to SEO, then Pro, and find the Breadcrumbs tab. Enable breadcrumbs by toggling the switch. Just like in the previous video, go to Taxonomies to show in breadcrumbs for post types, singular, and select your desired category options. For articles, open the drop-down under Articles Post and select Categories. If you're working with product pages, find the Products Product drop-down and choose Product Categories. Next, to delete the Posts page, enable Remove Static Posts page defined in WordPress Reading Settings, or, for WooCommerce, check Remove Static Shop page. Save your changes, and now your breadcrumbs will display the category without the archive name. This simple adjustment provides a clear, concise breadcrumb path by focusing only on the category. Coming up, we'll move to a new area by showing you how to customize breadcrumbs specifically for taxonomies on archive pages. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SEOPress insights.